There was one proverb. Remember the past, imagine the future. My name is Abdulvahid. My nickname Bukhoriy because my general aim is to revive and make popular Bukhara traditional ceramic. In Uzbekistan, several local ceramic schools. I asked myself, where is the Bukharian ceramic school? But it's lost more than 100 years ago. And my best teacher, Fazil Mirzaev, who taught us everything, white and black, how to make a composition, what is the creation. I did many experiments and tried to open the kiln very quickly, and some works of my teacher cracked. And I remember he never cried to me. He was very patiently. So I cannot say that I learned everything because unfortunately he passed away. I work with my hands, and through my fingers I feel the shape. How could it be? I like the smell of red clay, like after rain, the smell from the earth, and it's a little bit sweet. I lost a little bit my time. I worked in very different work to earn money. I advise, do what you love. I see how is world changing, sometimes in a bad way, sometimes good way. When I open the kiln, I'm expecting some effect approximately. And when I receive, of course, I'm happy. It makes me happy, really, because the ceramic is expectable art. I love my work, and I'm happy that I'm able to be busy with my creation, with my own compositions. If you love your work, if you love your creation, you are not tired, you are not sick, and no depressions, no problems. I lose myself when I'm thinking about compositions. I'm living in this time.